So you're new to Amazon ads, you do want to beat your competition and you do want to advertise, but you don't want to juggle multiple different campaigns. Well, good news, because in this video, I'm gonna be telling you why sponsored products campaigns are the best campaigns for you and they provide you the best results and best ROI. So let's get to work. Too many specifically newly launched sellers get kind of confused with the multiple different sponsored brands, sponsored displays, sponsored product type of campaign that they end up just not really understanding where to spend their marketing budget properly. But the truth is, sponsored products campaigns are the best type of campaigns for you, specifically in the launch phase of your business, because they do provide you the best return on investment and literally give you the best sales when you are newly launched. I'm not just going to show you how to do all of those details. I'm going to back up what I am saying with actual data and benchmarks. Hi, my name is Crystal from the Amazon Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider, and we've been supporting sellers as an Amazon ads agency as well since 2019, specifically Amazon Middle East, of course. That's our main focus, Amazon UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. I myself am an Amazon ads educator, and I'm very happy to create content on the channel in collaboration with Amazon ads, just like this video. Now, I'm gonna divide the video into several sections, but the last section is where I'm gonna give you a step-by-step guide as to exactly what you need to do in order to achieve the best results in terms of ads on Amazon, specifically UAE or Saudi Arabia. To make things fun and interesting, also, we've launched a free quiz for all new sellers, whether you are currently selling or you still haven't launched your products on our website. If you log in to our website and click on the quiz is free for you to try. You'll just answer a bunch of questions, and at the end we'll give you specifically some valuable data based on your answers as to what you need to do. The quiz will actually help you, if you're a new seller, help you understand what type of seller you are. If you are already selling on Amazon and have been for some time, the quiz will let you understand what mistakes you probably are making and you're maybe not aware of them. Again, the quiz is on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. You'll find some more information about us on the website as well. Number one, why sponsored products is the best type of campaign to get started with. Visibility and intent. When you are utilizing sponsored product campaigns, literally your products show up under the keywords or the products where customers are searching, which is very valuable. So technically, customers that are ready to buy are looking for your product. Your ad will just make your product more visible to these customers. Number two, low barrier to entry. You don't need a trademark, you don't need anything. Anyone can do a sponsored product ad or campaign. Number three, quick setup, and that's certainly very important if you are a new business launched on Amazon. You can literally set up your ad, whether it be an automatic campaign or a manual campaign, in literally minutes and start gathering data. Now, on to the fun stuff. Let's talk about data and benchmarks to back up exactly what we're talking about in this video. According to Amazon's own internal data, from 2022, small businesses that utilize Amazon ads see an increase of 30% of their sales due to those ads. So ads are important. Also, according to Amazon, sellers that had their products in the suggested products, which is a type of ad that shows up in your competitors' listings, saw an increase of sales of 260%. Now let's move on to the step-by-step strategy. Watch the details on the screen. You can take a screenshot as well. First and foremost, definitely the first thing would be to always optimize your listings. You need to ensure that your titles, bullet points, and images follow Amazon's style and what customers tend to favor in Amazon. Then you start your auto campaign. You launch with automatic targeting, because the purpose of this is to gather and collect more data and definitely more impressions. After that, you can either switch or add a manual campaign, depending on what's going on with the business, to target the best performing keywords, excluding irrelevant ones. Now, of course, throughout the entire process, you should always be monitoring your ACOS and your performance, because of course we need to make sure that you're spending correctly on ads within the allocated budget that you have created, and you need to ensure that you're always making sure that your targeting is optimized. And then scale wisely. Of course, when you see consistency and great ROI, this is where you can start experimenting. That's if you are allowed to with other ads. What do I mean by if you are allowed to? That's basically if you are a registered brand on Amazon. Now, before I wrap up this video, and if you've watched for this long, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because we've got some awesome videos prepared for Q4 of 2025, so I don't want you to miss any video. Like this video and leave me your comments about what you've been doing in terms of ads for your businesses on Amazon in the comment section below. Let's wrap it up and let's talk about some quick tips. Number one, don't diversify too early. You need to ensure that you're following the system properly. Adding ads from the very beginning, like sponsored display and sponsored brand ads, might mean that you're going to spend a very big budget. Now, if you do have a very big budget, then that's not a problem. But if you're newly launched on the platform and you have a certain budget and you want to allocate it to something, sponsored products is the best type of campaign. Negative keywords. When you are creating specifically automatic campaigns, you need to ensure that you are constantly checking for keywords that are relevant to your products. Sometimes, even though the Amazon platform in terms of ads is perfect, but sometimes, of course, you might get some keywords that are very irrelevant, or even ASINs that are very irrelevant. You need to make sure that you are negating them. If you're ready to crush your ads on Amazon UAE and KSA, make sure that you reach out to us on our website. If you need help and support, you can book a free call with myself and the team so that we can see if we can help and support you. www.assmiddleeast.org. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.